The technological landscape is evolving at an unprecedented pace, offering new opportunities for businesses and public organizations to innovate, become more agile and customer-centric while maintaining security and continuity. At Proximus NXT, we believe that the world is full of endless possibilities, waiting to be detected and transformed into tangible outcomes. As a leader in next-generation technology, Proximus NXT is driven by the desire to guide organizations, SMEs, large enterprises, and public administrations through the complexities of digital transformation. We are excited by the increasing digitization of society and the vast business opportunities it creates. By combining our expertise in advanced connectivity, ICT, and mobile solutions with the technology offerings of our trusted partners, we help our customers turn challenges into growth and innovation. Our mission is to empower enterprises to venture further, co-creating reliable and innovative solutions that foster sustainable growth. With the support of a trusted ecosystem of partners and experts, our customers can see beyond the horizon of digital transformation. Therefore, they can continue asking themselves, what is possible for their business, their employees, their partners, and their future? Proximus NXT, inspired by tech, driven by people.